This one's called Seagull. And it looks like we might have to take out lots of ships on this one, so I am going to bring the MiG-31 with me. It's how it's done, really. MiG-31 style. Again, I'm bringing Nagase, and she is this time in a MiG-31, so, what? It said... It's not... Oh, I don't know. It doesn't quite look like a MiG-31 to me, but... I didn't at first. I guess after I took a better look at it, it did. This one is very similar to that other mission that we just did. Only... It's, it's sunset. Damn it, why is it missing? Worship. Okay. Yay! Landing. Oh, I get another chance at this? We'll see. I don't know why I get another chance at this. I don't deserve another chance at this. I failed it too many times. Fuck it. Damn it. Landings are freaking impossible. Seriously. Toy box, swordsmith, rising high, sledgehammer. We did sledgehammer, didn't we? Yeah. Bear tracks, midnight assassin. I'm not sure if we did midnight assassin. I'm gonna take a look, see if we did midnight assassin or not. I'll be back.